Hi guys, my name is Pranav, and today we're going to check about a script where we have to take the email as an input and then validate the email format, whether it is valid email or not valid email. Okay, so for that we are going to go to this. I'm gonna write this script for you. Okay, so I'll just write it like email test.py, and we will be giving the interpreter path, which is usr/bin /python 3.9. Okay, also we would need modules. Like one module is re, which stands for regular expression, which will be useful for our pattern to check whether the email is valid or not. So import re, and then we will need get pass, because as you have seen the query, it says use the get pass. Yeah, so get pass is basically used for hiding the password that you are entering. So we'll get to that in a minute. So I'll just do this import get pass. Okay, now we have both the modules ready. What we do is we will get the input from user. So I'll just say email input, enter the email. Okay, and since we have the input as email, now we want to take the password of the email as well using the get pass. So pass would be get pass dot get pass, enter the password. Okay, since we have the password now, as we have written the code for password, what we will do is we will okay, so now what we want to do is we want to put a pattern so that we can validate the email. So pattern would be this. I have already written down the pattern over here. So we'll talk about this pattern in a minute. So yeah, so this is the pattern. It starts from R, and then all the sections we will talk about it. The basically it is like, if you see, R stands for raw string, which is a start of the regex pattern. Sorry, the start of the regex pattern is this one. I am forgetting the name of it. And the second pattern condition is this for a \w, which is all characters A to Z and 0 to 9. Okay, and then \dot, which is a dot. Any email ID you see, dot we use. It is a hyphen, and then there is a set, and then there is this. So basically this pattern, I'll be putting this pattern over the description. So why don't we just try it? So if re.match, we will be using match function, and we'll be passing the pattern. Okay, and we will also pass the email that we have now, and we will say print enter sorry, no, not enter, the email is valid. Okay, and we will also put the else condition, and we'll then the email is invalid. Okay, now it's time to check. So we will be just execute it. So I will give executable permissions. So sudo chmod plus x email, what is area, done. Now clear it up. Email. Okay, so we have one error. We will just check out what is the error. Says pass equals to get pass dot get pass okay, line number is invalid syntax. Got it. Line number 6. What is line number 6? It's oh, this is the one. What is the error over here? Pass get pass dot get pass, enter the password. Okay, it may have been the pass can be it can be the default variable, which might not be which might not we can use. So that's the reason why some default keywords are there which are reserved for it. So that's the reason why we cannot use those keywords. So I'll just change it, and now see, let's see what it, okay, yeah, it works. So we'll test it again. Okay, email, I am gonna give tech decipher dot, sorry, no, I will just do admin@techdecipher.com. Password, I'm gonna put any, and the email is valid. Now we will also test for invalid email. So we'll just do one more thing, enter the email, admin at rate, yeah, so you see I didn't give any .com or any extension. So let's see if that works. The email is invalid. Yeah, so you can test it multiple iterations. Like for example, in email is like just a plain text and then the password, and then the email is invalid. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.